In this video, I'm going to show you how to compress a video on your iPhone. Now, I'll show you two different ways to do this. So the first method is you can click on Settings from your home screen. You can then scroll down to Camera and click on this. Click on Record Video. And by far the easiest way to go and compress a video is just to record the video in a lower resolution. So you can see that my camera set at 1080p 30 FPS, and this is usually a good balance between quality and file size. You can obviously move up to 4K, but this is going to dramatically increase the file size. So that's the first method if you haven't already recorded the video. But if you already have the video saved on your phone, then what you can do is just go and open up an internet browser, and from the search box we're going to type in compress video and press search. You can then click on this top website, which is freeconvert.com. You can then press choose files and select from device. You can then click photo library and then just select the video that you want to compress and click on the tick icon. Now, once you've uploaded your file, click on compress now and then give that a few moments while it compresses your video. Once the compression's finished, press download and then click on download. You can then click on your download folder in the bottom navigation and click on downloads. You can then select your compressed video. You can then click on the share icon in the bottom right hand side, scroll up and click on save video, and now that's going to resave this back over to your camera gallery. So if I go and open up my photos, you can see we have this video right at the bottom.